Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to upload multiple files in Contact Form 7. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. Then let's get started. Very fast, let's check which I'm going to do in this tutorial. So navigate to the another tab, then you can see this is a contact form which I built with Contact Form 7 plugin, and I have added a field multiple file upload field which I added with extra Contact Form 7 add-on. So you can drag and drop or browse file and upload multiple file here. So in this tutorial I will show you how you can add this type of multiple file upload option. Okay, so go to the website and you can see this is a website where I want to add this type of field. So navigate to the contact us page, then you will see a contact form. This is the contact form. If you want to make this type of contact form and want to add Google reCAPTCHA, then you can visit my YouTube channel and check Contact Form 7 tutorials playlist, then you will get it. Okay, now I can close this tab and go to the admin dashboard. That's why I have to install a Contact Form 7 add-on. That's why hover over plugins and click on add plugin. Then just type here drag and drop multiple file upload for Contact Form 7. This is the add-on which I want to use in this tutorial. Don't worry, I have given this add-on link in this video description, so you can check it from here. Just click over here, install now. Then the activate. After install and activating the add-on, maybe you will be redirect in this area. This is the admin dashboard. Okay, and you can see already I have installed and activated all plugins here, so you can get from here, or if you want then you can see in left side plugins, then the click over here install plugin, then you will get this plugin list which is already installed and activated this side. Okay, so right now I have installed and activated this add-on drag and drop multiple file upload for Contact Form 7. So I have to configure it. That's why click over here settings. This is the add-on settings area. You can configure from here. Very fast it shows like send attachment as link. Actually I don't want to use it, so I want to keep it unchecked. Then the uploader info heading tag S3. If you want then you can change from here. Then drag and drop text. Okay, if I go to the example website, then you can see drag and drop files here. So if you want then you can change this text from here. Okay, then the browsers files, this is the text, so you can change it from here as well. Then the error message, I hope if you will read this text easily you will be understand it. Okay, so now I can ignore it and go to the contact form. Just click over here, scroll down and click and edit it. Okay, and go to the contact us page. This is the actually contact us page and contact form. I want to add this type of field, multiple file upload field, just below this field, your message field just here. Okay, so again go to the editor and this is the message field actually, so I want to add here. So now I can copy this field and then paste it here. Okay, then this is the previous, or this is the message field shortcut, so I can remove it from here. Okay, then just select this area. So if you want then you can remove this div actually. Okay, so just select this area and you can see in the top right side multiple file upload. Actually after install and activating the add-on drag and drop multiple file upload add-on, then this option is added. Okay, so just click over here, just select this area where you want to add the field. Just I want to add this field here. So if you want to add here, then you have to select here. So I want to add just into this div, so I select here, then click over here, just multiple file upload. Okay, and you can see this is the field information. So if you want, then you can check it for record field. Actually I don't want to record it, so I want to keep it unchecked. And if you want, then you can check it. Then the file name, so if you want, then you can change it. Just you have to write like in this format. Okay, then the file size limit, you have to keep here like byte format and decimal. Okay, so I want to keep it, so just you can convert from here. Okay, just MB to byte converter. Okay, don't worry, I have given this link in this video description. Like I want to upload 10 MB file, so click 10 MB, then this is the actually byte format. So you have to copy it here, then go to the editor, then paste it. Okay, so you have to give in this format. Okay, now finally this is the accepted file types, so you have to give the file format. So I want to accept JPG, then you have to give a pipe sign or character, then JPGE, then PNG, PDF. Finally I want to add just docs. Okay, so if you want, then you can add more file type here. Then this is the example, I don't need it. And minimum file upload 5 and maximum file upload, actually I want to give here 3. Okay, then finally insert tag from the right side bottom. Okay, now our field is ready to use. Now we can save it. Just click from the right side top, save. Okay, then navigate to the another tab, form, then click over here, mail. Okay, and you can see this is the actually field name which right now I have added. Again go to the form, then you can see this is the field actually. Okay, so again go to the mail tab, and I have to copy this field name, then scroll down, and you have to give here file attachment. If you do not give here, then the file attached will not work, so you have to give here. Okay, again just scroll up and save. Go to the contact us page, just reload it and check it. Okay, and you can see our field is ready to use. Okay, you can see this is the drag and drop files here. Now I can try to send a message from here. So give name, email address, and subject. Actually this is the dummy text. Okay, so copy it and drag and drop, or you can choose file. I want to give here this file, then I want to give another file here, open it. Okay, just wait a few moments. Okay, all files are uploaded. Now check here, I am not a robot. Okay, then submit it. Okay, just wait a few moments. Okay, thank you for your message, it has been sent. Now let's check the message. Okay, so again go to the editor and be confirm about the email. This is my email address. Okay, so now I will open it. Okay, this is the email. You can see I have received this email. Okay, you can see this is the images actually which I have uploaded or attached here. Okay, so finally it works perfectly. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I have a request to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress. Thanks for watching the video.